So far, we've talked mostly about one-sided design pieces, a flyer, a poster, a social media post, but what about a design piece that has different sides, panels? What about a design for a front and back of a t-shirt where you cannot see both sides at the same time? It is essential to have a unifying theme throughout your design piece, even when it transcends sides or exists on multiple panels. Trifolds are great examples to use here. The trifold has a color and design theme on the front that we can carry through on our layout on the inside. This is also a theme we can apply to the back of the trifold as well. It feels like one unified design piece that has consistency and branding throughout. These banners seem to flow together even though they do not have the same photo or layout. They are consistent in the design style and do not feel like two separate design pieces, but act as one unifying theme. Booklet, brochure, and flipbook designs are the same way. You want the cover and the inside spreads to all look like one design. Notice the same fonts used throughout this piece. Notice the same color scheme used in different creative ways. Notice how the cropping of the photos is similar. Notice that there's a bar across the top that maintains a theme throughout the different spreads as the header. If the design is for a client, they will demand this consistency in your designs, especially when it comes to sticking with branding guidelines or requirements. They may require certain fonts to be used, and they may request you to use a certain design element or a color scheme throughout. Creating themes across panels and editorial spreads, brochures, and layouts is something we'll dive into in the next lesson, while you get to sit alongside me creating one for a health magazine, so stay tuned for more.